Hornets, and welcome back to VCHS. We have one day until spring break, so let's finish strong. We're your host, Alaina.
And I'm Braden. Let's start off today with today's lunch. Today, he will be enjoying Domino's pizza, tossed salad, breadsticks with marinara dip, red peppers, applesauce, and a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And our rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hi, my name is Michaela Barnes. I'm here with your top 5 news stories of the day. Number 1, 83-year-old Hoops granny wants to play in the WNBA. Number 2, Boeing in talks to buy Sprite Aero Systems. Number 3, U.S. health officials drop COVID isolation to 5 days. Number 4, Food Network Guy Fieri's Flavortown Festival has been canceled. Number 5, ozone season begins in Wichita this month.
Next, here is today's word and quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is emulate. Match or surpass a person or achievement, typically by imitation.
It is during the darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Aristotle.
And now we're heading into the weekend. Let's see what you're doing before spring break.
I'm here with
Anna Perez.
And what are you doing this weekend?
I'm probably going to be with my boyfriend.
All right, thank you. I'm here with
Corey.
And what are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to be staying in a hotel with this guy.
All right, thank you. I'm here with
Roman Gage.
And what are you doing this weekend?
I don't know.
Yes, you do, bro. Say it.
Oh, I'm going to state powerlifting, then I'm going to go play Fortnite.
So, thank you. All right, I'm here with
Reed.
And what are you doing this weekend?
Probably donuts.
Anything else?
I don't know yet.
Many of you will see it later this afternoon, but let's get a sneak peek at the Juniors Woodstock concert.
Hi.
Hi.
My name is Victoria McClure, and we're performing Cherry Bomb by the Runaways.
And why are you performing that song?
It was released in 1979, so it's about like women's breakthrough, like going against stereotypes of what feminine is. So it's kind of changing that stereotype, presenting women as more masculine, but also accepting femininity.
All right.
Kin, and I chose to perform I'm Just Kin because it deals with empowerment, and it's a good song, and I like it a lot.
Yeah, great.
I'm Lorna Smith.
All right, Lorna, what are you doing for Woodstock?
I'm doing a shirt, and then I'm going to do VIP.
Are you excited?
I'm really excited. I really like Homecoming, and I have the feeling it's going to be kind of like that since it's just going to be a lot of music.
All right, thank you.
Hornets, it's finally Friday.
Yesterday's rain has cooled us off. Let's take a look at today's temperatures.
It's Quinn
and Jasmine
in the morning
with the weather. Today's high will be 49
and your low's 29 with a chance of storms.
Now for a quick blast of the past, let's wrap it up with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
March 8th, 1965. America deepens its military involvement in Southeast Asia as the first U.S. combat troops land in South Vietnam. 3,500 Marines arrive to defend the U.S. Air Base in Da Nang. Associated Press photographer Eddie Adams is there.
Their morale is high. They are dedicated. They have to help the Vietnamese civilians find a better way of life.
The Vietnam War eventually divides the United States and ends a decade later when Vietnam is reunified under communist rule. 1917. Start of the Russian Revolution. Rioting and strikes against the Russian Empire break out in the city now known as St. Petersburg. By year's end, Vladimir Lenin and his Bolsheviks seize power. They later formed the Soviet Union, the world's first communist state. 1854, U.S. Commodore Matthew Perry makes his second landing in Japan. Within a month, he concludes a treaty with the Japanese. That ends Japan's more than 2 centuries of isolation from the West. And in 1999, Baseball Hall of Famer Joe DiMaggio of the New York Yankees dies of cancer in Hollywood, Florida. He was 84. Today in history, March 8th. Sandy Kozel, The Associated Press.